I started the new week with a simple question. What if I changed my favorite strategy? No more using old templates. Just turn on the chart, change the settings, and observe. The result was surprising. I noticed the pattern that I had previously overlooked. Today, you will see my attempt to test this idea in real trading. If you're not looking for magic strategy, but for an approach that can be developed and adapted, this video will be useful. Now I will show you the settings I use to work with the strategy. You can repeat them. I will use a candlestick chart type and leave the time frame at 1 minute. Now let's turn on the indicators. These will be Bollinger Bands and moving average. For the Bollinger Band indicator, the period will be 20 and I'll set the deviation to 2. In the style setting, I'll disable the middle line as it is not needed. I'll also change the color of the bottom line to red. Now let's configure the moving average. I'll reduce the period to 7 and leave the line type as SMA. I'll also change the color of the indicator line to turquoise. That completes the settings, and we can now start looking for suitable situations. If you're just starting out or you're confused about where to begin, don't worry. I was once in your shoes, and I know how important support and guidance are. To make it easier for you, I've created a Telegram channel, which you can join right now by following the link in the description. Just open the link, join Telegram, and message me saying, I want to join the team. Be able to copy working strategies, ask any questions, and get direct help from me. So go to Telegram, message me, and let's start working today. I found the first suitable situation. The trade time will be 1 minute. I'll start with $200. I think the price will go up, so I press the green button to open the trade. Now let's analyze the situation in more detail. Look at the price chart. It approached the lower border of the Bollinger Bands, and with the next candle, the price began to rise. This is the main signal in the strategy. It indicates a trend reversal, which means that the price should start to rise. But it's important to get a signal from the moving average, which is what allows you to open the trade. The price rose and crossed the moving average line, and now the chart is building above it. This is the second signal, and now I am sure that the price will rise and I can make profits. The strategy has rules that must be followed, which I'll discuss later, so don't miss them. Great! My prediction was correct, and I just made profits. Now I have $982 in my account. Let's continue. An interesting chart. Let's try to make profits. I'll leave the trade amount unchanged at $200. This time I'll open a trade on a price decline. Let's analyze the situation. Look, the price rose and crossed the upper Bollinger Band. With the next candle, the price began to decline and returned back to the indicator zone. The main signal has been received. A trend reversal has occurred. The moving average indicator confirms the main signal. The price chart has already crossed the indicator line and remains below it. Both indicators give a signal, which means that a downtrend has begun in the market. When working with this strategy, it is important that both indicators give a signal. Any currency pair is suitable for this strategy as long as there is a stable price movement. But it's important to note that if you see that the trend is changing very often, it's better not to use such a currency pair. I also like to mention the importance of the signal from the Bollinger Band as one of the main rules. This price chart must touch the indicator boundary or cross it, and the price must return to the indicator zone with the next candle. If you follow the rules, most of your trades will be profitable. And boom! Second profitable trade in a row. Now my capital is $1,166. I have a couple more trades ahead, and I'm already looking for the next opportunity. The trade amount will be $200. My prediction is that the price will fall. Let's open the trade. As you can see, the situation is similar to the previous one. The Bollinger Bands indicator gave a signal. The price crossed the upper border of the indicator and returned back to the indicator zone. The moving average also confirms the main signal, with the price chart below the indicator line. The situation has developed and I can make profits. Let me give you some advice. Never risk all your capital. Open trades so that you still have enough money to continue working. That way, even if you're having a losing trade, you still have capital to cover the loss. Proper capital management is an important skill in this line of work. If you invest all your capital in one trade, you will not be able to continue working in case of a loss. Bingo! Another profitable trade. I see that the account now has $1,336. Let me find another situation and open the last trade. I am confident in the reliability of this chosen situation. I think a strong upward trend has begun in the market. I immediately open the trade for a price increase. Now I just have to wait for the trade to end and see what the result will be. Yes, friends! 4 out of 4 trades are profitable. I see that my capital has now increased to $1,520. Friends, this session has shown once again that calmness and a clear plan are the keys to reliable profits. I've given you a strategy that works. Now it's up to you. Test it, practice with it, and move towards stability step by step. Also write your opinion about the strategy in the comments.